Hello and welcome to TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2018. It's Marlie Mount Primary from St. Catherine up against Waterford Primary, also from St. Catherine. I am your host, Tony K. Dawkins, and the action begins right now. Time now for section 1 of the competition, where both teams will be asked questions alternately with 10 seconds to answer and 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Waterford Primary won. They decided to go first. So Waterford, we begin with you in Bible knowledge. What was the first killing committed in the Bible?
Stephen's killing?
That's incorrect. It's Cain killing his brother Abel. Marlie Mount, Bible knowledge. Which king had Daniel thrown into a lion's den?
King Darius. King Darius!
That's correct. Waterford Science, what's the name of the outermost section of flower parts comprising the sepals and petals?
Sepal.
That's incorrect. It's the calyx. Marlie Mount Science, what's the name for the base of the flower where it is attached to the rest of the plant?
Stem. Stem.
That's incorrect. It's receptacle. Waterford Local Affairs, it's a visual question. Team, look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Atalinita.
That's incorrect. It's Member of Parliament Marissa Dalrymple Philibert. Marlie Mount, Local Affairs, visual for you as well. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Delroy Williams.
That's incorrect. Member of Parliament Noel R. Scott. Waterford, English language. Spell interesting.
Interesting. I-N-T-E-R-E-S-T-I-N-G.
That's correct. Marlie Mount, English language. Spell familiar.
F-A-M-I-L-I-A-R.
That's correct. Waterford Television, another visual question. So team, look at the monitor and identify the actress.
Yarrell Union.
That's incorrect. It's Yara Shahidi. Marlie Mount Television, visual for you. Look at the monitor and identify the actress.
Camilla William. Camilla William.
That's incorrect. It's Amandla Stenberg. Waterford General Knowledge. In which ocean can you find the Oahu Island?
The Pacific Ocean.
That's correct. Marlie Mount General Knowledge. In which ocean can you find the Gran Canaria?
Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean.
That's correct. Waterford Social Studies. What's the name for a change in weather patterns when that change lasts for an extended period of time?
Climate. Climate.
That's correct. Marlie Mount Social Studies. What's the name given to resources that can be placed when used up?
Resources. Man-made resources.
That's incorrect. It's renewable. Waterford Music, who recorded and released the single The Power of Love?
Celine Dion.
That's correct. Marlie Mount Music, who recorded and released the single I Believe I Can Fly?
George Wins.
That's incorrect. It's R. Kelly. Waterfront Mathematics. If A equals 8 and B equals 5, what's the value of 5A plus 6B?
70.
That's correct. Marlie Mount Mathematics. If C equals 4 and D equals 7, what's the value of 6C plus 5D?
49. 59.
59 is correct. Waterford Sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Darren Sammy.
That's incorrect. It's regional cricketer Dinesh Ramdin. Marlie Mount Sports, visual for you. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Marsh Malcolm.
That's incorrect. He's Samuel Badri, regional cricketer. And that bell signifies the end of section 1. We have Waterford Primary on 5 points, Marlie Mount Primary on 4 points. Now, before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip for our kids from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, your study time is precious. Do not allow too many distractions as you focus and prepare to do your best. The Junior Challenge Face-Off is up next. Stay with us.